Hey yo, what's up? It's your boy MC Nimbus at muli nagbabalik para sa reaction video. At ayun mga kapatid, nandito tayo ngayon para painggan ng sabay-sabay ang bagong kanta namin na pinamagatang We Got. Ayan, nandito po ang ating utol na si Jenso, MC Nimbus, Oxmug, GK Ibarra, Damsa at Jaboy. At ito po ang kanilang official lyrics video. So ayun mga kapatid, di natin papatagalin to. Bigyan na natin ng isang malupit na intro. Okay, let's go. Pakinggan natin to. Wow. Oh, malupit yung lyrics video ah.
We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping.
Hey.
We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking.
Ang lakas makatak nung nung hook mga utol, no?
We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. Turn it up,
Yeah,
let the speakers blow. Feel the rhythm of your soul, let your energy flow. Hands up in the air, come and let it show. Don't roll in my hand, I'ma let you know. Money, respect, yeah, that's the motto. Living life fast, yeah, full throttle. Enemies trying to catch up, but they all waddle. I'm the real deal, I'm your role model.
Damn. Ang ganda nung nung pagkakagawa nung lyrics video, no? Sumasabay siya dun sa no, sa lyrics talaga ng ng boses. At the same time, napakalupit din nung bagsakan ni Utol Jenso dito, mga kapatid.
I'm in the club, bottle popping, feeling like
Talagang pang-clubbing. It's another banger, baby.
the king. Haters gonna talk, but not saying a thing.
Oh, yeah. Haters gonna talk, but not saying a thing. Kumbaga, magsasalita lang yung mga haters na yan. Pero wala silang masasabi dahil sobrang angas. Sobrang lit, diba?
I'ma keep doing my thing, putting you to shame. In this game, you gon' remember my name. I'm the beast from the east.
Yes. Babakas ang mga pangalan.
I'm here to feast, release, unleash. You better call the priest. Every word,
Astig yun yung may rosaryo pang ganun. Bangis nun
every rhyme
Shoutout sa gumawa ng lyrics video. Nice one.
is a masterpiece. Honey chessboard, I'm the final piece. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party
Talagang mapapasayo ka rito sa kanta na to. Grabe.
rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world.
Ito yung mga sound trip ang maganda pagka puma-party-party ka o kaya house party. Kahit sa club, maganda to, utol.
Come on everybody, sumayaw.
Alright, this is my verse, mga kapatid.
Gumalaw dito sa club. Party all night, walang umaayaw. Pag hawak ko ang mic, ang lahat sumasabay. Walwalan magdamag, ang lahat kumakabay. Let's go, start the party. Igiling igalaw ang booty. Come on baby girl, shake your ass. It's gonna be a crazy night, so damn. Everybody get bounced right now. Igalaw mo lang, sige sumayaw. I wanna feel that sexy body. Igiling mo lang ng igiling, baby. I know that you're feeling hot. That's why we're chilling at my spot.
Ayan, medyo napasabay ako sa Englisha nila. Nag-i-English kasi sila dito eh. Pero ayun, all goods naman mga utol. Ayun, kaya nang humusga sa verse ko.
All the ladies in the club, hands up. Everybody sumigaw, turn up. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole
Sarap sa tenga.
world shaking.
Mainit sa mata ng mga chikas. Kita mo naman kasi yung
Alright, ito na si Oxmug.
tika. Sabang yung hinaharap ng ihinihimas. Yung isa ay nakahawak sa aking bigas. Isang gabing mapunga yung
Big ass!
matasyo. Kaya kita mo yung moves, kalmado yung mood. Sumasabay sa kalabog, malalaki na boobs.
Wow, 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 wow. Sumasabay. Malalaki na boobs. Grabe.
Ang mga drops ng post ng mga goods. Maangas ang dating kahit pang triplet. Kinukuha yung fame ng
Ang ganda ng mga font na ginamit nila dito.
walang regret. Yung sinasabi na kung sa'kin nagre-replay. Asang masalat ay hindi. Kung usapang sulatan nyo wanna test me. Di naiiral kitang daliri mo pang lesbi. Pero teka lang, sulitin mo yung party, tapos isuot mo yung
Talaga namang susulitin mo yung party pag ganito yung tugtugan, mga sir.
nakulit mo na panty.
We got the party rocking.
Oo nga naman, nakakalaglag panty, no, mga utol.
We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking.
Got it!
We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world
Ilabas mo ang galaw na parang umaalon. Palagan mo ang tugtog kahit walang humamon. Pakaldagin mo yung dibdib mong umaahon. Yanigin natin ang club, dapat lahat sang ayon.
Yeah! Yanigin natin ng club! Let's go!
Sige todo nasabihin mo ang bawat kalabog. Pwedeng mahinahon, pwedeng wild na padabog. Kung merong kaharap ay wag na wag kang pakabog. Party-party gang umaga, katawan kang malamog. Pasok ka sa gitna, body-body sa lahat. Pwede kang manggigil pero bawal mangagat. Bukas mo na isipin ang iyong pagkak.
Oy, grabe. Astig yan eh, no? May nag-iisip na emoji. Angas, shoutout sa gumawa ng lyrics video. Napaka-solid, mga utol.
Sige bayuhin mo, open para sa lahat.
Oy, open 24/7 para sa lahat, no?
Tapos tagay na ulit, pagkatapos magulit.
Oh.
Peace lang, di ka dapat magsungit. Masaya lahat na humataw na malupit. O siya umaga na pala, mamaya G na ulit.
Oh, mamayang gabi, Gina ulit, party na ulit.
We got the party rocking.
Talaga mahuhook ka dito sa hook ng kanta na to, grabe. Ang ganda rin ng pasok ng hook talaga eh, no?
We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking.
Hey yo, listen, meron lamang ako sasabihin.
Yeah! Damsa in the building! Come on!
Pag narinig ay siguradong di ka mabibitin sa aming bagong
Ganda nung feelers na yan yung mga sundot niya na parang may pagka-T-Pain, no?
awitin na tipong malatipin. Alam mo na maging hot, magiging insane. Kasabay ng pagbayo ng beat.
Alam mo, binanggit niya yon yung T-Pain. Diba? Kasi nga, may pagka-T-Pain yung yung mga feelers eh.
Tama mga veterano na sa flow at speed. Kahit sino sa tunog mapapabounce. Bounce lalo na kung
Kahit sino talaga, mapapabounce, di ba?
ganito ang iyong sound. Beat to the motherfucking A. Alam mo na kung sino ang iyong naririnig sa microphone. Aking flow di lang sa river, sabi lagi pag-deliver. Alam mo may sense at di lang basta ko mo. Saka dito na
Grabe, ayos yun
Titeng kapag putok di teka-teka. Kung usapan lang ay letra, dadaling kita sa gera. Pero pas muna tayo dyan sa rat-ratan.
Yaw, pass muna sa rat-ratan.
I-intact mo na lang dito sa rap-rap.
Yes, sir! Rap-rapan muna tayo, mga utol.
Paano eh?
We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping.
Grabe, ang lupit ng track na to. Nakakagana talaga mag-rap.
We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking.
You already know who it is.
Yeah, it goes now. Jaboy in the building. Ayan.
Si Suboy ang nag-iisa. Kapag nasa akin na may temperatura nag-iiba. Nagkakaroon ng
Wow, ang ganda ng linya na yun.
Who it is? Si Suboy ang nag-iisa. Kapag nasa akin na may temperatura.
Damn. Kapag nasa akin ng mic, ang temperatura nag-iiba. Kumbaga umiinit yung eksena, no? Pag hawak yung mic, no? Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda pa rin ng bagsakan ni Utol Jaboy. Parang ramdam mo pa rin yung Sanda vibe.
Nag-iiba, nagkakaroon ng kasama yung Eya pang nag-iisa. Shots ng tequila habang mata medyo trippy na. Nakaw atensyon, nakakabaliliig. Yung galaw ng bebot na walang makakadaig. Sa lakas ng tunog wala na akong marinig. Yung dagundok at kalabog rap na po nasa sahig. Yeah, we be riding that vibe. Kagulo na outside.
Tangina, angas talaga mga utol. Panalo.
We got this thing gon' live. We got this thing gon' live. That bounce with the bassline slap. Pop like a bottle when she throw it back. We don't do less VIP in the back. And we don't do the talking if it ain't about raps. Facts.
We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks keep flowing. We got the whole world shaking. We got the party rocking. We got the bass on thumping. We got the drinks
Yo. Special thanks. Ayan, Bulacan's Finest Productions, Pampanga's Finest. Shout out syempre sa Explicit Rhyme Production. At syempre sa Sandamucal Records. Napaka-solid, pinagsama-sama. Napakagandang track. At syempre sa Project Beast. Ayan, please like, share, and subscribe. At syempre, bago ko makalimutan, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si kapatid na Jenso, ang naging ulo ng kanta na to. You know what I'm saying? Happy birthday, bro, and God bless palagi. And just keep making some projects na talaga namang maangas. Alam mo naman yan. Let's get low. Low. Hey. Here goes now. One sound party people. Project Beast. Okay, so yun mga kapatid, no, napakinggan natin ang isang napakaangas na track na pinamagatang We Got. Ayan, syempre, nagkasama-sama kami dyan nila Utol Jenso, Oxmag, GK Ibarra, Damsa, at Chaboy. Ayan. So, ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel is please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Nimbus, para updated kayo sa mga bagong kanta at sa mga bagong reaction videos. At syempre, kung gusto nyong magpa-react ng kanta nyo, gusto nyong i-promote natin yung kanta nyo, wala kayong gagawin kundi mag-comment dyan kung ano nga ba yung gusto nyong i-react natin at gagawa natin yan, bibigyan natin ng oras yan mga kapatid. Okay, so ayun, maraming salamat. Sana supportahan natin yung bago naming kanta na We Got. Okay, so you got it, we got it all for you. Peace out.